We're making a chocolate peanut butter dump poke cake. So we're going to need 3/4 cup of water, 1/3 cup of oil, a box of chocolate devil food cake mix, 3 eggs, peanut butter, and chocolate frosting in a bowl, in a baking pan. Now go ahead and drop in 1 bag of the chocolate cake mix. Oops. We're going to drop in the oil. We're going to drop in the water. Then we're going to drop in the eggs. Three eggs, you guys. 3 eggs. Give it a good stir. Combine everything together. Grease our pan. We're going to dump in our mixture. In the oven on 350 for 20 minutes or until done. So you're going to need 1 can of condensed milk, you're going to need some peanut butter, 3/4 cup of peanut butter, give it a good stir. I'm going to stick it in the microwave for like 2 minutes to warm it up, because we're going to pour it inside the holes that we're going to make in the cake. Start poking our holes in our cake. Make them go all the way across. So now we're going to go ahead and pour our mixture onto our cake. Peanut butter mixture on top. So now I'm going to go over it with some chocolate icing. Go ahead with our chocolate. Start pouring that chocolate on there. Chocolate and peanut butter are so good together. Now you're going to refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. Make sure it's all covered.